How to make a woman love you and no one else. Now, are you finding it hard to make that special woman fall for you and only for you? Well, today I'm peeling back the curtain on the secrets of female psychology to help you capture her heart. And believe me, this is game-changing stuff you do not want to overlook. So remember guys, winning a woman's heart is about understanding her, and I'm here to guide you through the intricacies of the female mind. Stick with me and you'll soon be the man she can't help but adore. Be reliable and trustworthy. Let's look at the game-changing trait that can make her heart skip a beat. Being a dependable and trustworthy person. Now consider this, my friend. You are there for her every day, like a rock in the raging sea of life. You consistently appear when you say you will and keep your promises. It's about being a man of your word, someone she can rely on. It's very important. And believe me when I say that being that consistent, dependable presence in her life can make her fall head over heels in love with you like no other. When she knows she can rely on you to be there for her, to have her back and support her dreams, an unbreakable bond is formed. She doesn't feel the need to rely on anyone else. And that's because she will feel safe and secure in your love because, well, she knows that you will be there for her through the thick and the thin. And that, my friend, is a feeling that you won't find anywhere else. Her heart will be drawn to you like a magnet when you become someone she can lean on, confide in, and rely on. So be that rock in her life and watch as her love for you deepens and grows stronger with each passing day. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures. Now let's discuss a delightful little secret weapon for winning her heart, and that is surprising her with thoughtful gestures. Consider this, my friend. You go above and beyond to make her feel special and loved in unexpected ways. It's all about the little things that makes her eyes sparkle and her face smile. So consider surprising her with her favorite flowers just for fun. Alternatively, you can leave a sweet, heartfelt note on her pillow to brighten her day. Maybe you plan a spontaneous date night, whisking her away to a location she's always wanted to visit. Now, these thoughtful actions demonstrate that you think of her and that she holds a special place in your heart. And this will also set the bar high for anyone else. And believe me when I say that these surprises, they will make her fall in love with you like no one else. Now, you demonstrate your attention to detail and your genuine desire to make her happy when you take the time to plan these thoughtful moments. Ultimately, she will feel cherished and appreciated, knowing that you put thought and effort into making her happy. And these actions leave a lasting impression on her and demonstrate that she is a priority in your life. My friend, don't underestimate the power of surprising her with thoughtful gestures. They can brighten her world and ignite a love that is uniquely yours. Prepare to sweep her off her feet with one delightful surprise after another. Nurture a deep emotional intimacy. Building a strong and lasting bond, it requires nurturing deep emotional intimacy. Consider this. You create a safe space for her to open up and share her deepest thoughts and feelings. It's about developing a bond beyond the surface where you truly support and understand one another. Because when you invest in developing emotional intimacy, she will fall in love with you like no one else. You build trust and authenticity by opening up and sharing your own vulnerabilities. This strong emotional connection establishes a solid foundation, makes her feel seen, heard, and understood. Her heart will naturally gravitate towards you when she realizes you genuinely care about her on that deeper level. Because it takes so long to develop this bond, no one else would even stand a chance against you. So don't be afraid to cultivate that emotional intimacy. Just spend some time having meaningful conversation, asking open-ended questions, and really listening. By establishing this deep connection, you will forge a love based on mutual understanding, trust, and emotional support. Continuously improve yourself. Now, let's get into a powerful tip that will benefit your development and make her fall in love with you like no other, and that is constantly improving yourself. Investing in your own development and improvement sends a strong message to her. It demonstrates your commitment to growing as a person, not only for yourself, but also for the relationship that you share. Now, you gain confidence, self-assurance, and fulfillment by constantly improving yourself. And let me tell you, those characteristics are incredibly appealing. She will be inspired by your commitment and determination when she sees you actively working on becoming a better person. There are numerous ways to improve. It could focus on your physical health and well-being through regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. It may also entail broadening your knowledge and skills through education, reading, or engaging in new hobbies and interests. But it does not end there. Emotional development is just as important. Develop self-awareness and empathy, and work on developing healthy communication skills. You become more attuned to her needs and emotions by continuously improving your emotional intelligence, fostering that deeper connection. Keep the romance alive. When you prioritize keeping the romance alive, it demonstrates to her that you cherish and value her as a partner. It's all about constantly fanning the flame of passion and instilling a sense of enchantment in your relationship. So, how do you keep that romance alive? Well, it's the little things that matter. Plan surprise date nights to get her out the house. Make an atmosphere of love and desire by lighting candles and playing her favorite music. Don't underestimate the impact of genuine gestures. Leave sweet notes expressing your deepest emotions for her to find. Recreate special moments you've shared with her to take her down a trip of memory lane, and demonstrate to her that you remember and treasure every precious memory you've created. But it's not all about those big gestures. It also is about the everyday acts of romance. Compliment her on her physical appearance and inner qualities to show your appreciation. Show your love and affection by touching, hugging, and kissing. Show appreciation and gratitude. Showing gratitude and appreciation is about recognizing and acknowledging how she improves your life and expressing her gratitude to you. When you consistently express your appreciation and gratitude, you foster a positive and loving environment in your relationship. It basically means I see you, I value you, I'm grateful for you. So how can you express your gratitude? Well, begin by recognizing and emphasizing her distinct qualities and strengths. Tell her what you admire about her. How her smile brightens a room, her kindness, her intelligence, maybe her sense of humor. Compliment her inner and outer beauty to make her feel special. However, it is not just about words. Show your appreciation through your actions as well. Prepare her favorite meal, offer to help with chores, or plan a special night tailored to her interests to surprise her. Now, these thoughtful actions will demonstrate to her that you are aware of her wants and needs. And it's also important to thank her every day for the small things that she does. Thank her for her love, her support, and dedication to the relationship, and let her know that her contributions are noticed and valued. When consistently expressing gratitude and appreciation, you foster a sense of love and contentment. It deepens your emotional bond, making her feel valued, cherished, and loved in a way that no one else can replicate. Maintain a healthy balance of space in togetherness. You create a harmonious dynamic when you can pursue your individual interests while savoring priceless moments of shared experiences. Finding the right balance of space and togetherness is akin to perfecting a beautiful dance. It's about respecting each other's journeys and honoring their need for independence. Now, it is crucial to cultivate open communication to achieve this delicate balance. Express your needs while carefully listening to hers, ensuring that both perspectives are valued. Encourage and support one another's hobbies and interests. Accept that making time for personal development and self-reflection is necessary for a strong and thriving relationship. Allowing each other space to explore and nurture individual identities fosters a greater appreciation and respect for one another. Now, at the same time, remember to cherish your time together. Plan special dates, participate in group activities, and make lasting memories. Make quality time a priority to connect, bond, and celebrate your love for one another. Finding the right balance of space and togetherness can lay the groundwork for trust, understanding, and independence. Your relationship becomes a safe haven for you to develop as individuals, while also collaborating to form a meaningful and fulfilling partnership. Keeping the flame alive in the bedroom. Now let's look at a hot topic that can make your relationship burn with passion, and that's keeping the flame alive in the bedroom. Prioritizing the sensual and intimate aspects of your relationship demonstrates to her that you value and cherish her as a lover. It's all about maintaining the physical connection that strengthens the emotional bond. So, how do you keep that fire burning? Well, begin by encouraging open and honest discussions of your desires and fantasies. Make a judgment-free zone where you can openly express your needs and listen attentively to hers. You can embark on exciting and fulfilling adventures together if you understand each other's desires. Make quality time in the bedroom a sacred space for you and your partner to connect and explore. Pay attention to her desires, allowing her pleasure to precede your own. Maintaining the flame in the bedroom creates a magnetic force that draws you closer together, intensifying your love and desire for each other. It's a lovely and intimate aspect of your relationship that adds that depth, the excitement, and adventure. Thanks for joining us today. Before you dash off, I have 2 fantastic videos you won't want to miss. Ever wondered about those little signals and what they mean about your attraction? Or the subtle clues she's ready for a kiss? Pick your topic and let the enlightenment continue. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button.